Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Well, the answer is based on what you have written. It is possible to do it, but it depends on several factors. First of all, it's unlikely that she is going to be able to adjust status in the U.S. and will eventually have to leave to consulate process. However, if they ended up in court, I know you say they never went to court, but the court may have requested they go there, and if they didn't, then they're going to have a removal order in absentia, upon which certain things need to be done. If they don't have a removal order, I need to know how she came to the U.S. Was it legally? Was it illegally? Did she have I understand she was small, but did she have inspection when she was here? Was she in a car? Did they just cross over, for example, with a coyote? So that depends. I need to know if you or her have any criminal history. I need to see if she committed any fraud, see if there's any grounds of inadmissibility. Depending how she entered, and depending if she has a removal order, there are different paths that can be taken. And if none of that exists, she could ultimately consulate process and get what's called a provisional waiver of inadmissibility for the 10-year bar. I need to know if perhaps you had served in the military, so she might be able to do a parole in place. There's lots of different options. She should not just stay here and be afraid day after day what's going to happen. Obviously you've been with her for a while because you have 4 kids with her. So she needs to take care of business, okay? And it's doable. You just need to get someone who knows what they're doing. And it takes time. It's not like, we would start on day one and, the next week she's going to be a citizen. It doesn't work like that. But, given that a typical case like this would probably take about a year and a half, give or take, that's not that long to turn everything around and hopefully have a good outcome of being a lawful permanent resident. So all I can say with this is yes, her papers and her green card can eventually come. But she needs to get down to business and she needs to start doing it. Okay?